Hey, Steven.
Hi.
I made something.
What? Did you wrap it so that I could open it?
Yes.
Oh. I wasn't sure if the wrapped object was the completed object.
No. You're one of those kids. See, if I was smart at the time, it would have been bronze somehow, but we get a plywood play button instead.
Oh.
Because I thought it would be cute, mostly.
I had noticed that we were close to 50,000.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess I'm not surprised that Herrerasaurus put us over the hump, as it were.
I just felt it was worth celebrating being halfway to, when we're professionally acknowledged on the channel.
Good job, kid.
Well, it's your good job too.